What is a video camera?
This is what happens to little kitties when they run away. When they come back home, they get a bath. She is now beginning to look like a drowned rat.
Mommy, I need your help.
We've got multiple suspects.
Mommy,
What?
Evidence and no way to force them.
Okay, hold on. Let's see who gets wetter. Face or Dari? Oh, almost lost her. Hold the back of her neck there. Poor Bud's face.
okay, hold on. I still have your neck. I'm gonna have to do it from here. Come on here. What's that noise? What's that noise? It's just as hard for me to do when you're drenched. Come here. No, not yet. Come here. Oh.
Oh, Bus face getting a hug. I don't like that.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, 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 oh. Who won? Who won? Me.
Where's she going?
Towel.
They're in there somewhere. Here they come.
Poor baby.
Poor baby's gonna scratch.
Poor baby's freezing and shivering. Oh, mommy, she's whimpering. Mommy, she's
Well,
whimpering.
if you just had a bath for the first time in your life, how would you feel?
Mommy, she's shaking and whimpering.
Well, honey, wrap
Put
her
the
up and
camera-
keep her warm. Now, this is what I call the maternal instinct. I can hear her purring from here. Seriously, I can't.
It's not her. It's not her.
What is it?
She's whimpering because she's freezing.
It's not a whimper, it's a purr, it's a motor. Purr, purr, purr. You know, she must really love you because she's letting you do this to her. Do you remember how cut up Lori got when she did that to Lucky?
I'm gonna get your front paws. Later tonight, I'll get your front paws.
She's getting them.
And those are back paws. She's trying to dry them. by licking them.
Time for my close-up, Mr. DeMille. This is the face of a fuss face. Fuss face the kitty. Fuss face the drowned rat.
Not enough. I've done that for years. Who knows, man?
For now. And I felt like I could Jasper Jack to help. You know what we need to do is to take
So there they are, right where we left them. It's deep in some conspiracy. But you're naive enough to believe that AJ was sincere.
Well, I guess this beats living in the woods. Now, this is Fussface's second time coming to live with us. Let's see if she takes off on us again. Next time, if she takes off, it better be taking off on someone else and not me.
You look awful pale. Is it your heart? Or your conscience?
I've been keeping a secret and it's just weighing me down. I think I need to unburden.
Dari even gave up watching GH today to catch Fussface again.
After everything I have done for fun, the risk that I took, what with it?
Where's the hairdryer?
You want to get that poor thing a heart attack? She'll dry off. She's cleaning herself right now.
She's hiding herself.
No, she's cleaning. Lick, 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 lick. Aww, kisses.
Happy you're clean. Clean.
I noticed Lucky left again.
She doesn't like water.
Lucky doesn't like.
She will, because Lucky's been in this
Fussface.
predicament before. Oh, your ear. Come here. Come here. I'll trim it out. There you go. There you go.
This is not an upset kitty. Oh, she's well fed now. She's had a bath. She's ready for a nappy nap. Now, is this a life or what? Very soon, this kitty will join the other two as being spoiled DuBois kitties.
You could give me another towel.
Kitty got a clean towel.
Oh, it's a clean one?
I think a bond has been formed.
Yeah, she would have ran away the first time.
Are you gonna give her one more chance? What if she runs away again?
The next time we find her, we give it to me. After she gets one more bath. We're just just gonna have to be careful from now on when we go out the door.
Okay, let's take the towel off so I can get a full picture of it.
She needs it to be warm.
Wait a minute.
There you go.
So how can your eyes tell the difference between their own natural tears and ours? They can. So get Visine tears in.
Dari has a new toy.
Naturally.
Mom?
Now we have to go buy some more stock and allergy medicine.
What are you gonna do today? Well, you could be a four-star chef and hold a bake sale for everyone in our neighborhood.
You haven't even been back an hour.
Century Italian architect.
She knows when she's got it good.
Former root canal. You could discover distant galaxies. Or you could clean your
It was so sad because when I went out earlier, I saw her, but there was a garbage truck down at the end of the street, and she wouldn't come anywhere near me with the garbage truck in the street. So I couldn't go out and catch her, so I said, well, if you're here when I get back, we'll see.